I'm Morgan, if you don't know me. This is my friend Cole, and we are in Denver, Colorado right now. We flew in last night from Knoxville, that's where we live, and we are at Outside Days Music Festival. Well, it's like a film and outdoor arts and music festival. I've never been, Cole's never been before. We've actually never heard of it, but I won 2 VIP tickets like a month ago. Shout out to Festive Owl. If you don't follow him on Instagram, follow him. That's how I won the tickets. And yeah, we flew out here. We are getting ready to go into the festival. I'm so excited. Who's tonight? Goth Babe and
we've got Death Cab for Cutie, Wilderness, I believe one other artist.
And then tomorrow is Group Love and Tosh is tomorrow.
My Morning Jacket.
My Morning Jacket.
Karina Reichman.
And then Cage the Elephant is closing on the last day, which I am most excited for. One of my favorite bands. But yeah, it's a sick lineup and the whole festival looks awesome. So let's go! We hit up the glam bar at, where are we? Brooks. They have like free glitter and body paint and sunscreen. We glitterified. Cole put glitter in his beard. I love it. We just got so much free shit.
Like the most
Like, so
free
much
stuff I've ever received at a music festival.
Same. Like, we just played games and signed up for like newsletters, and we got free hats, free t-shirts,
Lobster keychains,
bandanas.
Glitter.
Oh yeah, the glitter. I love it. I love this so far. VIP. I've never had VIP at a music festival ever, so this is really cool. This is all the VIP viewing area.
So y'all keep Cooper up, don't drop him.
Something that keeps me alive, and I only feel lonely away from your body. Just for a moment, I wish I could ways that
Come on, let's hit the side. 1, 2, 3. All the way to the back. Small but mighty action. How's the back doing?
How is it?
It's everything I need it to be.
Texas style barbecue.
Brisket.
Hell yeah. It was really good. The brisket's pretty fire. What'd you think of the Goth Babe set?
I thought it was lovely.
It was awesome.
High vibes. The sound production was really good.
Yeah.
Light production was good.
Yeah.
Vibes were really good.
It was. Cole said, like in the middle of the set, it sounds like how it feels outside right now, which was such a good way to put it. It was so great vibes, great vibes. And then Death Cab for Cutie is coming on in like 20 minutes. We're gonna go back out to GA because we were in VIP for Goth Babe. We're gonna go out to GA for Death Cab and meet up with Cole's other friend, Cole.
Decide that they both are satisfied. Illuminate the notes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, I'll follow you into the dark. I'll follow you into the dark.